my shirt inside out?
Should be.
Don't do it. Don't do it again. We're good. You're good. You're good. We're good.
You good?
I'm good. Are you good?
I'm good.
I'm great. Because today we're gonna be making a freaking awesome steak sandwich. A little bit of baby arugula. We're gonna make our own special sauce. You're gonna wanna eat it. You're definitely gonna wanna eat it because you're tired of eating all that crap Nate was making. Be sure to like and subscribe. That way you get notifications when my show is on, Nate's, Todd's, or Betty's. But in the meantime, let's make a steak sandwich.
Nothing to say with all this disrespect flying around here.
Well, good.
We can't get no privacy around here.
We'll just ring it and bring it then.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Hey guys, let's jump right into this. It's time to season our steak. I've actually already patted this down with a paper towel, dried it off, got rid of all that extra moisture.
Pro tip.
And now we are gonna do some seasoning, and
Of course.
black pepper,
Horse
some
is a
kosher
horse,
salt,
of course, of
and I'm
course.
gonna do some Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. We're gonna flip this over and do it.
Underappreciated. That steakhouse seasoning is money.
Bro, it is.
Big old
It's my
fat
top
granules.
three. It's my top 3 seasonings that that we make.
Yeah, you and Vanessa in customer service
Just
eat it
sit
like
around
a
and
salt lick.
Dude, Vanessa, I can
Rock
actually
star.
appreciate the fact that you do that. Let's throw this down, guys. So now we've got the season. Again, like you said, I'm not gonna be putting oil down right now because I've already oiled my steak. The oil is soaking up all that seasoning, and it is time to sear.
Oh, there she is.
There we go. There we go. All right, let's come back over here, gents.
We want that sear. I want that sear. I want that.
that.
I want that.
We've got a yellow onion. I love yellow onion because I love the sweet nature of it. And we are going to slice up some yellow onion and get some caramelized onions to go on top of our delicious steak sandwich. And that's the way,
I like it.
I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil right next to my steak because we're gonna go down to caramelize and soften up and
Oh, there they are.
enjoy some love from my steak and my onions. I'm sorry, I'm breaking it up and burning my hands. Ow.
Beef fat and sweet onion. The aroma,
It
it's
is
like the
it is
angels
the
singing.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
It really is.
Can you hear them? Why did you go straight to Little Mermaid?
You want thingamabobs? I got 20.
I'm gonna season my onions a little
Yeah,
bit
you should.
with some salt
You would.
and a little bit of our black pepper. And you know what else I'm gonna do?
No?
I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. to
Look
my
at you
onions.
go.
There we go. And let's toss this around because, guys,
Smells amazing.
we are scooting along here. That's actually a really fun part of this recipe. Is it's extremely easy. It's not going to take long. Everyone's going to be happy when they eat this amazing steak sandwich, especially with the sauce I'm going to be making here in a second. Ethan, you're going to love it.
What am I, chopped liver?
Yeah, actually, I just don't really care what you think.
Yeah?
Yeah, so? Yeah, so?
So I want to go someplace where we know somebody who can plug us into the social pipeline.
All right, special sauce. This is going to be a fun one. Let's cruise right through this.
El
The very
Duce.
first.
I need il duce.
There was a firefight!
There was a firefight!
We're gonna have our base, which is gonna be some Duke's mayo. And we've got some horseradish. Tell me
this is-
again what,
dude.
talk to me about horseradish. Give me the
Actually,
breakdown.
oddly enough, most people know horseradish, and they don't realize it. All
Wasabi?
wasabi. Dude, you know it. Tell
I
me.
did know.
Tell.
No, you go ahead.
No, you got it.
They just color it, right?
Yeah, so all wasabi you get in most American, Japanese, Chinese restaurants is going to give you wasabi, but it's actually Western horseradish dyed green.
Which is so strange.
It is strange because horseradish is not green.
It's white.
Yeah, and it's really finicky. It grows oddly, and that's...
Okay, dude, seriously, wrap it up. I'm moving on. Soy sauce. I used a little soy sauce.
Chances are you've never actually had wasabi, you've had horseradish.
I've got some Worcestershire.
You nailed it.
Worcestershire.
That, you got it.
Yep. And now I've got a little bit of garlic powder.
Garlic.
Then we're gonna do a little bit of
Whoa.
onion powder.
Dude, this is moving.
Yeah, dude.
Whoa,
Well, that's the whole
onion,
point. We've got
garlic,
things to do.
Soy.
And
This is-
lastly, some steakhouse seasoning.
So this
We're
is
gonna be
savory.
compounding. Oh, this is gonna
Through
be
the roof.
super savory. All right, let's go check on our steak and our onions, dude.
Is it sounding done?
It's definitely doing something. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
That's the magic.
Yes, it is. Oh, dude, we're getting those crispy onions. That caramelization is happening. It's not going to be too much longer on these onions.
Are we
And-
taking the steak to what, like medium?
Yeah, we're going to get to a medium. And then we're going to pull it off and let it rest. But in the meantime, I think we can...
What's that? What's that sound?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's right.
There she is.
Okie doke.
Good to see you.
We're gonna pull up our steak and our onions. Specifically want this steak. We're gonna let that mamma jamma rest. I'm gonna pull my onions off here as well.
So you're pulling everything off.
Pulling everything off.
Can we talk about that sear for a second?
Well, we can.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. That was close.
Whoa, that was close.
Or
Or, whoa.
we are now gonna move on to the next master of this delicious
Master
sandwich.
of disaster.
The Texas toasted.
Dude.
And we're gonna be doing this in the steak fat that I have hanging
dude.
out right back here.
Now you're speaking my language.
Yeah, buddy, I'm gonna turn this down because we don't need that
I like
actually
it.
on high. It's hot enough at the moment. So we're compounding
Dude, I
flavors
bet-
with the beef fat.
I bet you have enough steak for 3
Seasonings.
sandwiches, and there just happens to be 3 people here.
All right.
I've never actually had this unless you cooked it. I've never used Texas toast.
It's amazing. Now I think that we need about 60 seconds. We're gonna let that cook. I'm gonna slice the steak. We're gonna flip it and start the process of building. Talk about simple, am I right?
Final round.
He's on fire! He's on fire! Before we slice our steak, our toast has officially got to that point. Boys, we
flippage.
are ready to do a quick, we're ready to
Maybe.
do a quick flip. See, that is the magic of this-
Texas toast?
The Texas toast. Oh, and dude, all that seasoning from
Yeah.
the beef.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's slice up this steak and get this. Oh, look at all. Oh, I've got an
Oh.
idea about this juice.
The
We're gonna
juice.
come back.
You
We're
like
gonna
it,
come
the
back.
juice?
We're gonna come back to that use.
The juice.
Okay, let's get to slicing, man.
Dude, that is a ton of steak.
Well, we've got 3 sandwiches.
Sammy's.
Let's see.
Sandwiches.
Shut up.
Sandos.
Let's see how we did. Oh, we've got some red still
Wood
inside. A couple more slices here. And let's head over that way, guys.
Wow.
We're gonna make another pile. Actually, we're gonna make 3.
of beef.
We're gonna make 3 piles.
Okay.
And we're gonna cheese those piles. All right, let's see. If my calculations
1,
are correct.
2.
A 3.
1, 2, 3.
I've got some pepper jack cheese,
Okay.
and we're gonna do 3 slices that are gonna go on top. So we've got some sharp cheddar as well. The toast is gonna be almost done. We don't want to wait too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and dome this real
The
quick.
dome is a seriously underappreciated tool.
There we
Speaking
go.
of tools, hey,
Hey.
CJ, did you know that the band to play the most live shows with Tool is actually Rage Against the Machine? It's probably because Tom Morello and Adam Jones were friends in high school.
That makes sense. Okay, let's check on our bread to make
Yeah,
sure that
let's do
that
that.
is not burnt. Oh,
Hello,
yes.
beautiful.
Yes. Wait. Yep. Oh, that one's good too. Oh my gosh!
They're perfect.
Let's check on our steak real quick.
Let's take a peek.
Yep.
Wow.
Did a job. Time to build, boys.
Ooh, damn.
All right. Oh, geez. I'm sorry. I'm getting all worked up over here.
It's verklempt.
I've got one last thing I'm gonna do.
The chickpea. Neither a chick.
No repeat. Discuss. I'm gonna take that fat, those juices,
You
and I'm gonna add this
fat
to my
using
sauce.
summoner.
Oh. Oh. Okay, so check it out, boys. We're gonna add 1 bottom layer of sauce
Dang.
to each of the bottom layers, because that's what a
Isn't that
bottom layer
science?
does.
Okay.
I mean, that kind of makes sense.
That's
We're
a
gonna
really
add,
rich sauce too.
yeah, it is. We're gonna add a little bit of baby arugula. It is crazy good, and this is gonna make a nice bed for our steak.
Sandwich.
You guys, stay there.
Wow. Whoa. Woo.
We got a serious mound here, man.
Dang. 2
All right.
cheeses.
Uh-oh.
Beautiful steak.
Too much steak, maybe.
No way.
We're almost done, man.
Oh, yo.
Last little steps here. We're gonna add a mound of this caramelized onion.
Dude, this is a savory bomb.
One last
More
drizzle.
sauce?
One last drizzle.
What?
Over here, over the top.
Come on.
And
I don't care what anybody says about you on YouTube comment section. You are a really good cook.
and let's crown these lovely gems.
Crown that queen.
Oh,
All hail.
All hail the conquering hero.
Hail the conquering hero!
What do you think about these steak sandwiches?
I think they're stunning and beautiful and luscious. I haven't used luscious.
You probably shouldn't.
Let's eat it.
Okay. Bro, look at these wicked sandwiches, man. Stacked with goodness. You know the bread's gonna be amazing. The steak is obviously cooked to perfection
You got a
with
lot
some
going
special
on.
sauce.
Oh my god. Wow. What the?
Did he just unhinge his jaw?
You're like an anaconda.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Corbin! So let's talk about this for a second.
Let's break it down.
This bread is such a good hack. The steak was so perfectly cooked. And the sauce? Are you kidding me?
Yes.
And the cheese
Organized.
actually really helps to kind of hold everything together so it's not falling out. Oh,
Boom.
let's not even forget the caramelized onions.
Almost.
You know what caramelized onions love, right? What pairs well with it?
Comments of the week.
Yeah? How'd you know? All right, ladies
everyone
and gentlemen,
knows
let's
it.
jump into comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
If you made it this far, congratulations.
You got patience.
win the golden ticket.
I've got a golden ticket.
Why were they laying down for years?
It just doesn't make
Weird.
sense. But what does make sense is really funny comments or really mean comments that I screenshot, and you, the viewers, get to hear what the other viewers or what you said. It was either really nice or really mean. But the point is, if you write it,
We read it.
and then I screenshot it and show everybody.
Yeah.
So in no particular order, here we go. This first one comes from Steve Crone.
Hey, Steve.
Hey, Steve, thanks for the really encouraging comment that I'm about to read from you.
Oh, here we go.
Good recipe, but the video is way, way too long.
Oh, he's not here. He didn't
On
stick
board,
around.
let's go, on board.
Let's go, on board, let's go.
Just keep your cursor on the mute button and bump your way through to pick out the important info.
Ow. Wait, so he watches the whole video but just mutes and
And then skims through.
he's probably listening to Celine Dion as backtrack but just watching. I love you!
Ring it for Celine Dion.
She's gonna be a guest next week, everybody.
Can't wait. All right, this is great. This is from a guy named Chris Hammersley.
Hey, Chris.
New to Blackstone, found
Right
your
on.
show a couple weeks ago. It took a little bit to get into it, but now you're my go-to griddle guy on YouTube. You and Nate are a great team and keep
Yeah.
it interesting. Looking forward to future videos and ringing that bell.
All right.
Well, there you go, amigo.
Cheers, my friend.
Cheers. Oh, this is a great one. This comes from Sim Williams.
Hey, Sim.
Like your recipes and such, but the past clips from TV shows, not so much.
Wait, he doesn't like those shows, or he doesn't like that we added them?
I mean, if you really want to, like, we can, like, pick some older shows, like Mork and
Or we
Mindy.
can just play Celine Dion in the background.
More Celine.
More Celine.
Okay, I don't know how to take this one. But this is from Visual Envy. And it says, I dig watching your Lil Foodie shows.
Wait, did they write L-I-L?
L-I-L.
Lil.
Seems like a blast hanging with you guys. Keep the cooking and bell rings coming. So I'm conflicted here. That
Like
Lil
Bow Wow?
comment.
Like Lil Wayne?
Lil Wizzy? Lil Weezy? Lil Bow Wow?
Lil Pump? Lil Siege?
Ring it?
A little bell?
Just a...
Oh, that was a pretty big bell.
no, give a little...
it, just
Give a little bell. No, less. Less.
Dude, that's the same
Come on.
sound.
Okay.
Ah, are you guys ready to feel encouraged?
Here,
E, you ready for
ooh.
this?
Sounds like a setup.
Kevin Long.
Hey, Kev! I love Kevin.
Oh,
He
Kevbot.
writes great comments on my show, on Todd's show. He's a great supporter of the good content on this channel.
Well, this one happens to come from Todd's show.
Yeah, but it's great.
And he says, you are awesome, Todd.
Truth.
You
Wait.
and Chef Nathan Lippy
Yeah, there
can
it is.
almost do
There it
no wrong.
Preach it.
I would have ate this meal until you told me to leave and go home.
Yeah. Preach.
Kev, Go home.
Wait, did...
It's time
What?
to go home. Pack your bags. Just take them home happy.
His bags are packed. He's got his airplane tickets. Send him home.
Just take 'em home.
I didn't know where you were going until we got there.
Bring it! Oh, because Kevin, you complete me.
You complete me.
Another great way to wrap this up from my old friend, Robert Frame.
Hey, Robbie Rob.
Hey CJ, how you doing? I'm so sorry for not seeing your video for 5 days.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just checking in with you. Still friends, right? Dude.
Totes. Totes. Rob.
Bring it.
That's for you, Rob.
There we go, Rob. 'Twas delicious, 'twas simple, 'twas quick.
'Twas the night before Christmas.
All through the house.
Not a creature was stirring.
Not even a mouse.
I in my kerchief.
Don't go there, but you should go to blackstoneproducts.com. You see, I did that segue. Where you can see this recipe and a ton of others that you might see on Nate's show, Todd's show, Betty's show. But this show, we like to slide right in and cook delicious meals. And we cook.
And we quote. We attempt to make delicious foods on a regular basis.
Attempt?
Well, if you ask Kevin. CJ. CJ?